Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to extract private key from PFX file using Python. PFX files also known as personal information exchange files, and those are commonly used to store certificates and private key for secure communication. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of extracting the private key from a PFX file using Python. So let's get started. Firstly, let's understand what a PFX file is. A PFX file is a binary format file used to store certificates and private keys. Also, it is commonly used for secret communication, like encrypting emails, authenticating websites, and securing network connections. There are several reasons why you may need to extract the private key from a PFX file. And one of the common reasons is to use the private key for server authentication. Another reason could be to transfer the private key to another system for backup or to use it for other purposes. Let's jump into the coding. So I have opened the Visual Studio Code. I'll be using this IDE to writing the code. So you see I already got cert. So let's create a folder file called readme. Let me note down what actually I'm going to do today and what I need. So let's find out the prerequisites. What prerequisite we need. So number one, as I said that I'm going to implement this one through the Python, so we need to have Python installed on your system, and also we'll be leveraging the OpenSSL library in order to extract this private key. So we need to use the OpenSSL library installed. And last but not least, that we need a PFX file from where we will extract the private key. Okay, let's go one after another. So I already got Python installed in my laptop. So let me check what version of Python I'm using. Python version. So I'm using Python 3.115. So first step is done. Second requirement is OpenSSL library installed. So let's install the OpenSSL. This is quite easy. You just install by OpenSSL, and the version I would say 23.2.0. I'm specifying this version. So it installed that OpenSSL in my laptop now. So second one is done, and third one is a PFX file. So you see that I have one folder called cert. Under that folder I have a certificate which is test underscore cert.pfx. So I have exported this certificate to pkcs 12 format, what actually gave me the PFX extension. So now these three requirements is done. So we have all the prerequisites what we need in order to implement this one. Let's jump into the code. So I'm going to create a new file and I'm naming it crypto underscore helper.py. So first thing is, let me clear the screen, what will be helpful for everyone to understand. All right, so first I need to import the crypto. So we can import it from OpenSSL import crypto. This is the package we'll be using. Okay, so now first thing first, what we need to open the file first. What file? The PFX file. All right, and if you have any password when you exported the PFX file, there is the option to choose whether you can provide a password or you can extract it without password. So when I exported it, I had given the password for this one. So if you have the password, definitely you need to use the password, otherwise it cannot open the file. All right, so let's declare two global variable which is called pfx file, the location of the pfx file, which is cert test underscore cert.pfx, and the passphrase of this one, like pfx underscore pass equal to the one I have given, this one. So we already got two variables pfx by pfx by. So now first thing is open the file in read mode, right? So it is very easy in Python to open a file. So where is the location of the file? You are saying this one, and the mode you need to set, which is read mode. I am giving an alias which is as pfx, right? Now I am going to read the file and putting this data to a pfx data local variable. So let's declare one local variable called pfx data, and it's very easy. Just read. Let's print it out and see what actually it comes with this one. It will give me some binary data for sure, as I said. So let's run this one to crypto helper. So it has given the binary data, so it is completely not readable. All right, so first step was to open the file. So we have opened the file. Done. Next, what is our next goal? Our next goal is to read this binary data and convert it to a pkcs 12 object format. That's our next goal, because if we can extract this information to an object format, then we can easily get the attributes from the object. That would be easy for us, right? So in that case, we need to get help from the crypto. So let's say now our goal is, what's our goal? To extract or to convert the binary data to pkcs object. That's the main object goal at this moment. So let's give it in the pkcs 12. Because this is the pkcs 12, I'm saying, hey crypto, can you please load the pkcs for me? And I'm giving the information like you need the pfx data, and I'm giving you the passport for the this one. So I'm giving this. So by providing this information, what crypto will going to do, it is reading the binary file and it will be converting this binary file to the pkcs object. So if I print this one, you will find that it is returning me the object. It is not giving anything else, only the object. You see, it has given the pkcs 12 object. So now we got the pkcs 12 object. Now what will be the next one? If we get the pkcs 12 object, now easily we can get the private key, but the object is holding another object inside it, which is the key object. So we need to extract the key object from the pkcs 12 object first. So the command is extract the pkey object from pkcs 12 object. That's the next goal, right? So we can write like pkey or private key object to, I'm asking, hey pkcs, can you please give me the private key? So it will give me the private key. Let's print it out and see what it gives us. It gives us a private key object. You see, now it is giving the pkey object, right? Now I'm going to decrypt that and getting the pkey object. So now extract the private key from pkey object. Let's do this one. Now if the name is pkey, and now again I'm seeking help from crypto. Say, hey crypto, can you please dump the private key? What? And it is saying that, hey, what type of file it is. So I need to say, hey, so I'm saying, hey, the file type of this one is spam, and the private key object is this. Can you please give me this? So now I'm printing this, and let's see what happens now. I'm hoping that now it will give me the pkey object. So run this one. There you go. So you got the private key now. So you see that it started with the begin private key and ended with the end private key, right? So now we successfully extracted the private key from a pfx file, and we have used the Python for that one. You can now use this private key for server authentication or any other purpose you require. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to extract a private key from pfx file using Python. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.